Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to see live subscriber count on YouTube in an easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to an external website that shows the live subscribe account. So open up your web browser and search for socialblade.com. If you haven't heard of it, it gives you a load of stats from the different YouTubers. You can enter in whatever YouTuber you want. And it's gonna give you statistic about the channel. So we're gonna take Kong TV for an example. All we need to do is copy in there, use a URL. We should have copied their user ID. Go in Social Blade. Once you've done that, it's going to give you a load of stats about that YouTuber, including subscribers and video views over the last 30 days. Subscribers estimated, but what we want is a live subscriber count. So if you click on that, it's going to show you to the live subscriber, something like it. It will show you in this page the live subscriber of this YouTuber. And you can see the subs go up and goes down every time. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.